the previous video, we have seen how to add liquidity, farm, and collect profits. In this video, we will see how to undo the liquidity to recover the WDFi, MBUSD, or any other token we have added liquidity. To do so, the first thing will be to withdraw the LP tokens from the pool where they are. We withdraw with the minus button. If we would like to add more, it will be with the plus button. In this example, I want to withdraw. I will withdraw 2 LP tokens, confirm. I confirm in Metamask too. I can see here there are 2 LP tokens less. To add more liquidity tokens back to the farm, we use the plus button. I am going to return the 2 tokens I previously withdraw. Click on maximum. I remove the decimals. Click on confirm. I confirm in Metamask. This is how we add or remove liquidity tokens from our farm. Now I will show you how to undo it entirely and get back the WDFi and BUSD. You can withdraw part of it, or as in my case, withdraw all of it. As you can notice here, I have generated the WDFi. When you remove or add liquidity, the generated WDFi are automatically transferred to your account. My balance is 11,812 WDFi, and at the end of the withdrawal transaction, we will have these tokens added to our account. I click the minus sign to withdraw. I click withdraw everything, so I click on maximum. I confirm here and also in Metamask. The WDFi has been transferred to Metamask. The same applies to the LP tokens. We can see them inside Metamask. The next step is to swap these LP tokens from WDFi and BUSD. We go to the Swap tab, select Liquidity, click on Import. We select the currencies we use to provide liquidity. I select BUSD with WDFi. When doing so, it reads the balance we have in this pair. 3.78 LP, equivalent to these amounts in both BUSD and WDFi. I return using this arrow. After importing, I can see the liquidity tokens. Click to display. We have the add button. In this case, we want to add more liquidity. In this case, we want to remove it. Click on remove. I can remove just a part in case I don't want to remove all the funds. At the moment, I will remove it completely to receive 1.86 BUSD and 7.5 WDFi. We can see the exchange rate between the tokens. To continue, I need to approve this contract. Metamask asks me to sign. Once the contract is approved, I can remove it. I see all the transaction information. If everything is correct, I confirm. I confirm with Metamask. The transaction is completed. I have no LP tokens. In Metamask, I can now see that I have the BUSDs as well as the WDFis. This is how we can add, withdraw, and remove the liquidity tokens that we have added to any pool or farm. To finish, we must disconnect Metamask and lock it. We must also log out of DeFi.finance.